As far as Indian films are concerned, yes, there is a huge potential in covering and making sure that the Indian market is covered first. I was having a discussion with Katrina before we came here that you need about 10,000, per 10,000 people, you need one theatre. I think that is increasing now. We have a lot more theatres in the last 10 years. But I think we still can. Right now, about 12 to 14 million people watch films every day in India. So at an average, you have about, you still have, I think, a space for a lot more if the theatres are there, because now the business has become shorter. So the number of theatres are increasing, digital, I think beaming is increasing. Yes, we should. I think as Indian filmmakers, we should corner the Indian market.
Haven't we seen you in a Hollywood role?
Every film that I do, in spite of what people think that, my cinema is completely sold out in terms of commerce, I think there is a strain of logistics, there's a strain of realism, there's a strain of some sensibility which runs in all the films that I've done in my career, hopefully. And music forms a huge part of creating that sensibility. I think most of the politicians, huge amount of respect for them, love for them. मैं उनसे डिस्कस भी बहुत करता हूँ बातचीत, लेकिन मैं एपॉलिटिकल हूँ अपने दिमाग के अंदर. इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि मैं चाहता नहीं कि करप्शन हमारी कंट्री में ना हो, कि चाहता नहीं कि जो हमारी इलेक्टोरेट है, यूथ जो है आगे ना आए. मैं ये नहीं चाहता कि हमारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ना बढ़े. All those things like an Indian should, I believe in. But I'm not an expert at it. It is like asking me, now, Shahrukh, you worked 20 years in films, why don't you become an astronaut? I can't become an astronaut and I can't become a politician for the same reasons that I'm not an expert at it.